Hello, I'm Matt Wright. I'm the head of product for FMS. I joined Access about 3 months ago from Experian, where I spent the majority of my career in product management, looking after global products. So I'm now going to take you through a short slide deck which covers our approach to defining and managing our product roadmap and strategy. And off the back of that, there's a couple of areas of interest that I believe will be valuable and interesting to you. So I'm now going to give you a brief overview of how we drive our roadmaps within Access and what's important to ensure that we've got the best products that we can possibly get for our clients. 3 key areas that are of interest to us as a product management team are what's going on in the market in terms of market drivers, feedback from customers, so that's either through our support teams or directly from visiting customer sites from a product management perspective. And really important within Access is innovation, so making sure that we are taking our products forward and making them the best that we can possibly get them. And within that, we're seeing themes in the marketplace around the need for organisations to drive technological modernisation, and this includes things like the desire for lower setup costs, lower maintenance costs, ensuring that as an organisation grows that it's easy to scale and that the solutions that are in place align with that scaling. And a big concern at the moment is, are systems that have been in place for many years secure and is data protected? Efficiency is also a huge driver at the moment. Time's precious and organisations and users of software are seeking increasing methods for collaboration, more automation, more focused task-based usage and the ability to work on the move. The final opportunity that we see a need for is making sure that our solutions are compliant and aligned to current regulation. So recently this has been things like GDPR, but also we've got coming a challenge around the HMRC initiative around making tax digital. But we also want to look at what else can give us an opportunity to improve our products. So open banking is something that is in the pipeline, it's happening now. Can this allow us to better our products and gain some efficiencies through using that technology? Aligned to those drivers and themes, and following the recent launch of Access Workspace, we're making our traditional established on-premise solutions and software compliant with some of the Access Workspace capabilities. And these are already available on our SaaS platform for SaaS-based clients. We're now evolving these so that they can provide benefit for users of traditional products such as Dimensions. And these will be a set of financial apps which are kind of discrete units of functionality which allow things like customer searches, various levels of approval, and we'll have a specific roadmap around those apps over time and we'll continue to evolve those. So they'll help users of the software drive efficiency and allow remote working. One area of our roadmap which is of interest to you, no doubt, is our work around and plans for making tax digital. So this is, as I'm sure you're well aware, a government initiative, which means that from April 2019, all companies above the VAT threshold will be mandated to submit their VAT returns through a set of APIs or application program interfaces, which means that any human interaction via the government gateway will be removed for these types of organisations. And there is a beta program which we're running from July, which Access will be planning to get involved in. So Access are currently engaged in a Making Tax Digital special interest group, which includes representatives from HMRC. And part of that engagement is for us to understand what exactly are the HMRC requirements and ultimately get to the point where we define a solution for our customers. And what we're seeing at the moment is there is a need for the ability to submit VAT returns, manage VAT payment. HMRC want some sort of interaction through the software with customers, and also the ability to look at historic accounts from a tax and VAT perspective. So we're engaged closely with that working group, and we'll be working on a solution imminently. In terms of timescales and next steps, our Access Workspace apps will be compliant with Dimensions sometime in the autumn. The apps are already available on our SaaS platform. We have some work to do to make these compliant with our existing products. In terms of making tax digital, we're aiming to engage in a HMRC beta program over the summer with a view to making a solution available to customers ahead of the April 2019 deadline in the winter of this year into early next year. Thanks for listening. I hope that was useful. I look forward to seeing you at Access World in November.